guys, another topic na naman tayo ng ating indeterminate structures. Ating formula para sa ating SDE is moment near far should be equal to 2ek near far multiplied by 2 theta near plus theta far minus 3 sine near far plus fixed and moment near far. Okay. So, ano ba yung M? That is your moment. Yung E, that is your modulus of elasticity. Your K is your stiffness, which means, alam naman natin yung stiffness, ang formula nun would be I over L. And then yung theta natin dyan, when we say theta near, that is the rotation of your tangent at support end. Yung B naman po, or yung F natin dyan, theta far, that is the rotation of the tangent at support far. For example, yung near far natin dyan is point AB. Yung A nyo dyan, meaning yun yung near. And then yung B nyo, yun yung far. Kunwari, gawa ko ng tibo ng beam dito. Beam yan ha, example lang. So we have here A and B. So asan yung near dyan? If dito tayo magre-reference first, for example, moment A, B. Ano yung near natin dyan? Yung near natin would be our A. Ang far naman natin would be our B. Next naman natin, what if moment B, A? Of course, ngayon, yung magiging near natin is B at yung magiging far naman natin ngayon ay A. And so on kapag continuous. Ganon din na ganon yung approach na gagawin natin. Okay? Next. Yung fixed and moment dyan, if natakol nyo na last time yung ating MDM or moment distribution method, same lang din siya ng formula na gagamitin nyo. Which is yung sa left, that is for uniform load, ito po yun. We have negative WL squared over 12, and then sa right side naman, we have positive WL squared over 12. And so with your concentrated load, same din siya ng formula sa MDM nyo, which is yung left side always negative, PAB squared over L squared, and on the right side would be positive PA squared B over L squared. Okay, and then, ito palang nakita ko, which is yung psi. Ano ba yung psi natin? That is the rotation of the line joining the two ends of your near far. Okay? So, next, natapos na tayo sa ating fixed and moment. How about yung angles? Dito sa angles, ma-identify natin whether may value ba or unknown yan. Ito sa angle natin, if we have here, cantilever or yung isa fixed and naka-overhang, our theta A here would be 0 kasi alam naman natin fixed yan, so walang rotation. Yung B, magkakaroon siya ng rotation natin siya. How about yung side AB and BA? Every time po kasi na unyielding supports yan, dapat 0. Pero since that is overhang, probably meron tayong value dyan or unknown. Next, yung number 2 naman natin. As you can see, yung beam natin dyan, meron tayong hinge at saka roller. Yung dalawang pong yan, that is what we call unyielding support. When we say unyielding support, yung psi AB and psi BA po yan would be 0. Meaning, walang rotation of the line between the two ends. How about naman yung theta A, theta B niyan? Kapag unyielding support, lahat po yan ay may rotation na nangyayari. So, meaning that is unknown. How about naman po kapag continuous yung ating beam dyan? So, we have A, B, C, D. So, sabi ko nga kanina, every time na unyielding support, lahat ng theta natin is unknown. Okay? Next, how about yung psi natin? So, lahat ng psi kapag unyielding support, 0. Okay, what if naman po fixed and then the other one is fixed? Tulad ng sinabi ko dito, our theta A and theta B here would be 0. Ano naman yung psi natin? Kapag ang psi natin ay ganyan, meaning po, question mark or unknown naman po ang ating psi. Our example for SDE, is this figure. So draw the shear and moment diagram using slope deflection equation, where I is equivalent to 620 times 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. Yung I2 natin is equivalent to 1860 times 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. On this figure, we have point A, B, and C, and also we have here overhang. We have 100 kilonewton ang ating concentrated load, and then 10 kilonewton naman para sa ating uniform load. So, yung una nating step dyan, since may value yung I natin, mag-let na lang tayo dito. Let I is equivalent to your I1. Usually, kung ano yung smallest value, yun po kasi yung ginagamit natin. For example, yung I2 mas maliit sa I1, edi yung I2 gamitin mo. Pero since yung I1 yung mas maliit dyan, ang gawin po natin ganito. We have I2 over I1 is equivalent to, lagay lang po natin yung value, 1860 times 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. And then we have 620 times 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. Since ito, magka-cancel, so therefore, our value for I2 over I1 is equivalent to 3. So meaning nito, kapag i-cross multiply ko yan, yung I1 natin, our I2 is equivalent to 3I1. Okay? So meaning, since I is equivalent to I1, ang I2 na natin ngayon is equivalent to 3I. Okay, therefore, note natin dito, our I1 here and I2 is equivalent to I and then 3I. Okay, right after natin makuha yung inertia, nilagay ko na rito sa ating yung I1 and then I2 para makita na natin again yung value. Ngayon, kunin na natin yung stiffness. We have KAB is equivalent to KBA. So that is I over 3. Since I1 yan, may value na yung I natin. So ilagay natin as I over 3. Next, we have here KBC is equivalent to KCB. That is 3I over 4.5, or roughly that is 1 or I over 1.5. Next, kailangan ko na kasing gamitan yan ng ating stiffness. Kumbaga, we need the value of your stiffness. So, paano yun? We let K is equal to your KAB is equal to your KBA. Pero, ang value ng KAB, KBA natin is equivalent to I3. Kung aayusin ko to, we have K is equal to I over 3. So, pag ita-transpose or eto, i-cross multiply ko ang ating 3 from that point. So, we have I is equivalent to 3K. So, meaning, from this value, isa-substitute ko na lang yan dito sa ating two equations ng stiffness para malinis yung equation natin na gagamitin. Dun sa formula natin na near far, yung may moment, diba? So, we have, okay, hindi ko nalalagyan ito, equals ko na lang para mas makita nyo. That is equal to 3K over 3. So, therefore, okay, this is equivalent to 1. Our new KAB is equal to KBA is equal to K. Next, dito naman tayo. That is equal to, yung I natin is 3K over 1.5. So, that means 3 over 1.5 is 2K. So, ibig sabihin nito, our KBC is equivalent to KCB is equal to 2K. Okay na tayo sa ating K value. Ayan, kaya natin ginamit to para magkaroon yung K natin kung ano ang value niya in terms of your I. Next, right after nito, we have to determine your fixed end moment. Okay, for our fixed end moment, i-reason ko lang ito kasi we don't need it na. Okay, our fixed end moment, unahin na natin yung AB. So, fixed end moment, AB. Ang maganda lang dito, whether it is unyielding or kaya naman po is fixed, it doesn't matter pag nasa SDE tayo, unlike sa MDM natin, and also yung ating TME. Yung TME, i-consider mo dapat yun unyielding support. Pero yung isa naman sa MDM natin, kapag ito ay unyielding, dapat walang moment. Okay? Pero dito sa ating SDE, hindi naman siya ganon. Okay? So, our fixed end moment dito would be negative PAB squared over L squared. And then here we have positive PA squared B over L squared. So, lagay lang natin negative 100 multiplied by A, which is 1.5, multiplied by 1.2 raised to 2. Okay? Divided by 3 squared, and we have positive 101.8 raised to 1.2 over 3 squared. So, magkaiba yan ng value. So, dito sa una, 0.8 kN. Yung pangalawa naman, we have 43.2 kN. Next natin is yung fixed end moment naman po ng BC at saka CB. So, dito ko na lang ilalagay. We have fixed end moment ng ating BC. So, yung value po niyan, yung formula niyan would be negative WL squared over 12. So, that is negative 10 multiplied by 4.5 squared over 12. So that is negative 16.88 kilonewton meter. So therefore, our fixed end moment CB, that is equivalent to your positive or 16.88 kilonewton meter then. Okay, next we have here overhang. As you can see, doon sa figure natin, may overhang na, which is yung sa C natin. Okay, so i-compute din natin ng ating overhang dito. So, pwede ko nang ilagay dito yung ating overhang. Overhang. Yan. So, overhang, that is equivalent to, kunin natin itong ating 10 kilonewton per meter. And then, of course, we have here C and 1.5 meter. And our moment here would be like this. That is your moment CB. Okay? So, for our moment CV, that is equivalent to negative 15 times 0.75. That is negative 11.55. Okay, kung hindi nyo pa nagatsin, sulat ko na lang. So, summation moment at C is equivalent to 0. Clockwise should be positive. So, our moment CV here plus 10 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 1.5 over 2 is equivalent to 0. Therefore, our MCD would be negative 11.25 kilonewton meter. So that is our moment MCD. Okay, next naman natin is your angle. As you can see dito sa ating figure, dito ko na lang ilagay para makita nyo agad yung ating angles based on our figure. So we have here theta A, theta B, next we have theta C. Tatlo lang naman yan. So, yung A natin, since fixed, 0. Pero as you can see, this B and C are unyielding, so unknown yan. Pero pagdating sa ating psi AB, okay, and then psi BA, since this is unyielding support, yung katabi ng ating fixed, meaning 0 na po yan. Next, our psi BA, BC is equivalent to psi CB, that is equivalent also to 0 because of that unyielding support. Okay, next, after natin dito, we could use our formula sa ating SDE natin. Okay, so for our span AB, so ilagay ko dito AB, meaning A yung near natin, B yung far natin. So our formula here would be our moment AB near far is equivalent to 2E, lagay ko lang, EK, okay, near far, which is AB, multiplied by 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 side of your AB, which is near far, plus your fixed end moment of your AB natin. So, ilagay lang natin yung value lahat niyan. So, our moment AB here is equivalent to 2E. Ano ba yung KAB natin na value? Yung KAB natin na value is nakuha na natin yan kanina would be K. So, ilagay mo lang dito K. Next, our theta A. Asan makikita yung theta A natin? Dito po. So, that is 2 multiplied by 0. Plus yung theta B natin is unknown, so ilagay mo lang theta B. Minus our 3 psi theta AB. So ito yung AB natin which is equivalent to 0. So 3 multiplied by 0. Plus our fixed moment of AB which is negative 28.8. So ayusin natin ating moment AB. That is equivalent to this will become 0, this will become 0. So we have 2EK theta B. As you can see, grinop ko na yung EK theta B. Inilayo ko na siya sa constant para makita natin mamaya yung mga unknowns natin. Minus 28.8. This will be our equation 1. Okay? Next, span BA. As you can see, after ng AB natin, BA naman yung susunod. Ibig sabihin, yung ating near ngayon ay B, yung ating far would be your A. So, moment BA, that is equivalent to 2EKBA, 2 theta B plus theta A minus 3 side of your BA, plus fixed end moment of your BA. So, lagay na natin yung mga value. We have 2E. Yung KBA natin is K. 2 theta B is unknown. Pero itong theta A natin, 0. Ito naman ay 0. Ito naman, it has a value, your fixed end moment. So, ayusin na natin to. Okay. Plus, we have negative or positive 43.2. So, ilagay natin dyan. 43.2 kilonewton meter. So, ito, kapag aayusin natin, we have MBA is equivalent to 2 times 2 is 4. Lagay mo lang po EK theta B. Then, group. Okay, plus 43.2. That is your equation number 2. Next naman natin is your moment BC. Okay? Sa moment BC natin, we have 2EK, okay, BC multiplied by 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 psi BC plus our fixed end moment of BC. Next, substitute the value. So, we have MBC is equivalent to 2E. Ano naman yung KBC natin? Let's see. Our KBC and CB dyan ay 2K. So, ilagay lang natin dito. We have 2K. Multiply it by 2 theta B and theta C for the angles is unknown or are unknown. So, we have 2 theta theta B plus theta C minus 3 psi BC would be 0. Plus our fixed end moment of your BC, which is equivalent to negative 16.88. So we have here, moment BC is equivalent to, okay, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So ilagay natin, we have 8 EK theta B. Next, we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So, ang sagot lang natin dyan is plus 4 EK theta C. Okay, this will be 0, kaya okay na yan. Minus 16.88. So, our moment BC here would be 8 EK theta B plus 4 EK theta C minus 16.88. That is your equation 3. Meron na pala dyan na isulat ko na pala. Anyway, next we have moment CB. Okay, for our moment CB, ang gagawin lang natin, same lang na procedure, so that is equivalent to 2 EK CB, 2 theta C, theta B, minus 3 psi CB, plus your fixed end moment of CB. So we have, this is 0, 2 times 2, tapos yung CB natin would be 2K. So ayusin natin muna. 2E, tapos yung KCB natin is 2K. Okay, multiplied by 2 theta C plus theta B plus your fixed end moment of CB. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So 8EK theta C plus 2 times 2 is 4. So 4EK theta B plus your fixed end moment of your CB. Yung CB natin kanina is positive 16.88. Okay, lagay natin 16.88. So this will be your equation 4. Okay, ilan bang unknown natin dito? So we have theta B, theta C. Ayan, so theta B, theta C, moment A, moment AB, moment BA, moment BC, and moment CB. Unknown lahat yan. Okay, so ano pa yung kailangan natin gawin dyan? Kasi wala pa tayong masasolve. Gamitan natin ng equilibrium conditions at every joint. So ano ibig sabihin nun? So kukuha tayo ng equilibrium ng joint. Okay, at B. Lagyan ko na lang dito, condition at B or joint B. So, kung ikakat ko yung beam natin within B, ito yung point B natin. So, every rotation po niyan, okay, isang rotation, that is our moment. This will be your moment BA, and this will be your moment BC. So, ito naman po yung ating line para sa ating moment or points. So, ito, kung pababa, pababa din to, and then the other one would be ganyan. So, this is your point A, this is your point C. So, yung in between dyan, your moment BA, and then your moment BE. So, by getting that equilibrium condition, meron tayong makukuhang equation. So, we have MBA, i-plus natin ng MBC is equivalent to 0. Right after natin makuha yung equation na yan, pwede na natin i-substitute yung ating value ng MAB or MBA and also MBC. So, we have here, ayun, equation 2, and then BC would be equation 3. So, kukunin lang natin 4 EK theta B plus 43.2, okay, plus 8 EK theta, asan ako? 3, yun, theta B, sorry, plus 4 EK theta C minus 16.88 equal to 0. Pagsamahin na natin yung mga magkakasama, which is yung 4 EK theta B and then 8 EK theta B. So that is 12 EK theta B. Next, we have plus 4 EK theta C. And then next, we have to add 43.2 plus negative 16.88. So we will be having 26.32 positive. That is equivalent to 0. This will be your equation 5. Next, may isa pa tayong joint. Yung joint naman at C. So ito yung joint C natin. So isang ikot lang naman yan. So ang ikot nito papunta dyan and the other side is like that. And then, ito naman po, ganyan pa rin tayo. This is your point C, therefore this is point B and point D. So therefore, this is your moment CB and this is your moment CD. So ang ating equation for that, we have MCB plus MCD is equivalent to 0. So, substitute natin yung value niyan. So we have CB. Okay, lagay lang natin yung value. We have 8 EK theta C plus 4 EK theta B plus 16.88. Ano yung MCD natin? Yung MCD natin ay ito, we have negative 11.25. So minus 11.25 equal to 0. So using lang natin, we have 8 EK theta C plus 4 EK theta B. Okay, tapos ito we have 16.88 minus 11.25, so we have 5.63. So plus 5.63 equal to 0. This will be your equation 6. Ngayon naman po, since may mga equations na tayo, pwede na natin yan gamitin as your equations for 5 and 6, equate na lang natin. Using 5 and 6, okay? So, isulat ko rito using equation 5 and 6. So, we have 12 EK theta B plus 4 EK theta C plus 26.32 equal to 0. And then we have, unahin natin yung 4. Pwede na natin makuha yung ating unknown, which is EK theta B and EK theta C. Using your calculator, itype niyo lang mode 5, 1. Okay, yung mode 5 kasi, that is your equation, nakalagay naman dyan, 5. And then, ilagay nyo yung 1, which is, nakalagay sa 1 is AXN plus BYN. Ayan, is equal to C natin. Okay, so ito po, ang gagawin nyo lang, makikita nyo sa calculator nyo, we have A, B, C. So 1, 2. So yung value dito, ilagay nyo 12, dito 4. Ito naman po 4, ito 8. Tapos, itong C natin, yung constant natin, A transpose sa kabila. So, it will become negative 26.32. Ito naman, we have negative 5.63. Bakit naman negative? Kasi po, dito sa equation nyo on your calculator, naka-equal po yan. Okay? So, right after natin ilagay yan, equals nyo lang po. Therefore, your X na makikita nyo dyan, yung X na sagot, that is your EK theta B. Yung Y nyo naman po dyan would be your EK theta C. So, meaning, your EK theta B here is equivalent to, yung makukuha nyo, 2.7505. Okay, so, dito, after natin ma-equate, ang answer is negative 2.3505 and then yung EK theta C would be 0.4715. Ngayon, lahat ng value na nakuha nyo sa EK theta B and EK theta C, isa-substitute nyo po rito sa mga equations natin. For example, sa MAB, dito nyo po ilagay yung ating value na 2.3505. Consider nyo yung negative. Next, dito naman po, ayan. So, substitute nyo lang yung value. And then, ganun din po sa kabila. Okay, so therefore, i-summary na natin. So we have, okay, right after substitute, yung MAB natin ay ganyan yung value, negative 33.50. MBA would be 33.79 kilonewton meter. MCB, which is equivalent to, ay baliktad, sorry. Ito. BA, of course, CB, and then CB, BC, and then CB. Right after ito, we have to determine the reaction. So, i-draw lang natin yung figure kanina, yung AB, tapos BC, and then CB para makuha natin yung reactions. Okay, ito naman yung figure natin sa AB. So, we have 100 multiplied by 1.8 plus 33.79 minus 33.50 equals divided by 3. So, we will be having 60.10. So, 100 i-minus nyo po ng ating answer would be 39.9. So, ilagay nyo lang dito, 39.9. Next naman natin is kunin natin yung ating BC. Yung BC naman natin here, we have 33.79 and the other one is 11.25. Sa sign convention natin, if it is clockwise, that is positive. Kapag negative naman, counterclockwise tayo. Okay? So, sunod naman natin is, this is 10 kilonewton per meter with a distance of 4.5 meters. Ayan, kunin na natin yung ating reaction para dito. So, we have 10 multiplied by 4.5 multiplied by 4.5 divided by 2 kasi yung kalahati ng distance na yan plus 11.25 i-minus natin yung 33.79 and divided by 4.5. So, your answer would be 17.49 kilonewton. Next naman natin, we have 10 multiplied by 4.5. I-minus nyo lang po yung answer na nakuha nyo kanina. So, we have 27.51. Okay? Next naman ito is yung ating overhang. So, overhang naman natin kanina, we have here 10 kilonewton per meter with a distance of 1.5 meter. Okay? Kunin na natin ang ating reaction dyan. So, 10 times 1.5 is 15 kilonewton lang. Okay? Ito naman, kanina, that is pababa. Diba? That is your 11.25. Ayan, parehas lang o. Tignan nyo. 11.25. Ito positive and the other one is negative. Okay? Dapat po ang pagkaparehas yan yung nasa joint. For example, itong joint B natin. Joint BA or moment B and then moment BC, parehas yung value. And of course, sa joint C naman natin, we have moment CB and moment CD. So, that is negative and positive 11.25. So, alam natin na tama yung ating sagot dyan. Next, etong mga points na dyan, pwede nyo siyang i-direct doon sa ating tabulation. For example, 39.9. Pwede nyo nang ilagay dito 39.9. Yung isa naman, we have here 60.10. So, pwede nyo na pong ilagay dito sa baba at B, we have 60.10. Tapos, yung pangalawang B naman natin is 27.51. Pwede na din ilagay dito, 27.51. And then, on our RC here would be 11.49 and then 15. So, lagay na natin dito, 11.49 and then 15. Pero, of course, malalaman ba natin kung tama yan o hindi? By means of, yun nga, direct calculations tayo. For example, from 0, umangat siya papunta dyan since walang loading yan. Okay, so, lagay nyo lang sa calculator nyo, 39.9, i-minus nyo yung 100 since pababa yung 100. So, we have 60.1. So, minus natin yan, 60.1. Diretso lang dito kasi walang load. Okay, next, we have RB here would be yung total RB natin dito, i-add nyo lang. Okay, pag pinag-add mo yan, we have 60.1 plus 27.51. Okay, we have 87.61. Ito din, i-add nyo rin. We have 17.49 plus 15. So, ang sagot dito ay 32.49. Balik tayo rito sa 87.61. That is your RC. So, we have 87.61. I-minus natin yung 60.1. So, we have 27.51 kanina. Ayan. Next, since this is 10, tapos ito 4.5, i-multiply mo. So, 10 times 4.5. Since yung loading na yan, pababa, yung 27.51, i-minus mo yung nakuha mo kanina, which is 45. So, ang answer natin dyan is 17.49. Ayan, 17.49 ang ilagay natin. Ayan, 17.49. 11 lang kasi nilagay ko dito. 17 pala yan. Ayan, so 17.49. So, bababa. Okay, ayusin ko lang. Okay, pababa. Next, ilan ba yung RC natin na total? We have 32.49. So, plus mo na 32.49. Okay, so after natin subtract yung RC natin, we have 15. So, 10 multiplied by 1.5, that is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. So, triangle din pala yan. Ayan, so kunin natin yung area na to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I-save nyo na lang sa calculator nyo. So, you have 39.9 times natin ng 1.8. So, yung area dyan is 71.82. Meron kayong area kanina na MAB. Yung MAB nyo is negative 33.50. So, mag-start kayo rito ng negative 33.50. Okay? So, yung negative na 33.50, ipa-plus mo sa area na nakuha mo kanina. So, you have here 38.32. I-minus mo naman yan sa pangalawang area mo, which is 1.2 multiplied by 60.1. So, meron ka dito 33.8. So, ilagay natin is 33.8, which is our moment kanina. Tingnan nga natin, 33.8. So, roughly, ito po ay 33.8. Ito din ay 33.8 kung i-round off na natin. Okay? Ayan, round off na din. Kasi nag-round off na rin ako sa reaction natin. Okay? So, we have here negative 33.8. Next natin is, kunin natin naman yung area na to para makuha natin yung maximum shear natin wherein located at 0 shear. So, compute natin. Okay, your area 3 naman is 37.84. So, 33.8 minus 37.84. So, answer natin is 4.04. Next, yung moment C natin would be 15.295. So, 4.04 minus 15.495. So, answer here would be 15.29 pala, sorry. So, 15.29 minus 4.0. So, answer is 11.25. So, dito natin siya makikita. 11.25. So, 1/2 base times height naman ito, that is 11.25. So, minus that, so we have 0. So, as you can see, this is our shear and moment diagram, SDE for beams. Ayan. Lagyan lang natin ng ganyan to finalize our structure. So, after this po, pwede natin isunod naman yung ating SDE with frames. So, this is our slope deflection equation, shear and moment.